Hello students, welcome back to our Zoology online class. Today we are going to discuss the most important one-word questions from lesson 14, that is circulation in animals. When you are preparing the competitive exams or NEET exam, these questions will helpful. So till the end you watch this video. So our first topic is blood. From that most important questions we are going to discuss. The first question is, blood plasma is acidic, basic, neutral, variable. The correct answer is basic. Due to the presence of more salts and water as well as the pH of the blood is 7.4. The answer is basic. Then second question. A clot of blood contains fibrinogen, prothrombin, thrombin and fibrin. The correct answer is fibrin. Fibrin is present in a blood clot. Number 3. Which one of the common anticoagulant is used for preserving blood? Sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, sodium oxalate, sodium bicarbonate. Correct answer is option C. Sodium oxalate is a common anticoagulant is used for preserving blood. Then number 4, largest number of white blood corpuscles are eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils and monocytes. The correct option is C, neutrophils, because almost 60 to 62% of the WBCs are neutrophils. So they are present in large number. Then number 5, blood is red but RBC are absent in frog, man, rabbit, earthworm. The correct answer is earthworm. All the members of phylum Annelida including earthworm, they contain red blood but RBC are absent in blood. Right? Then number 6. Prothrombin required for blood clotting is produced in stomach, liver, spleen and pancreas. The correct answer is B, liver. Prothrombin is produced from the liver. The number 7, the normal albumin and globulin ratio in blood is 2:1, 1:4, 1:2 and 1:5. The correct answer is A, 2:1 is the ratio of albumin and globulin present in the blood. The number 7, blood group antigen are present on, found on RBCs, found in hemoglobin molecule, found in plasma protein, none. The correct answer is A, found on RBCs. On the basis of these antigen, blood groups are classified into different groups. Then question number 8, hematocrit is the ratio of WBC to plasma, blood cells to plasma, RBCs to plasma, platelets to plasma. The correct answer is C, RBCs to plasma. Hematocrit is the ratio of the RBC to the total blood volume or plasma. Number 9, maximum concentration of HB or hemoglobin is normally found in RBCs is 3%, 10%, 33% and 46%. The correct answer is C, 33%. Hemoglobin is present in RBC. 33% hemoglobin is present in the RBC. Then number 10, mature RBCs contain enzyme of TCH cycle, enzyme of glycolysis, enzyme of Krebs cycle, all above. The correct answer is B. Enzyme of glycolysis is present in mature RBC but absent in immature RBC. Number 11, blood colloidal osmotic pressure is maintained by which plasma protein? Globulin, albumin, fibrinogen, prothrombin. The correct answer is B, albumin. Albumin is the plasma protein that is involved in osmotic balance of the blood. Right? Okay, the number 12, mammalian RBCs are biconcave, circular, enucleated, biconcave and nucleated, oval and nucleated, none of the above. The correct answer is A. Biconcave, circular, enucleated. Mammalian RBCs are biconcave in shape. They are also circular and without any nucleus. So it is known as enucleated. While the nucleus is present in the embryonic stage. Okay. Then number 13, globulin protein of blood plasma is involved in blood clotting, osmotic balance, defense mechanism, both A and B. The correct answer is C, defense mechanism. Globulins are involved in defense mechanism because they are responsible for the production of antibodies which make our defense system. The number 14, which white blood cells resist infections and also involved in allergic reactions? A. Lymphocytes, B. Neutrophils, C. Monocytes, D. Eosinophils. The correct answer is D. Eosinophils. Eosinophils are the cells that resist infections and also involved in allergic reactions. Also remember that there is also increase in number of neutrophils during the allergic reactions. Right? Okay, number 15. Person with blood group dash and dash blood group are called universal recipients and universal donors. AB negative and O positive, AB positive and O negative, AB positive and O positive, AB negative and O negative. The correct answer is B. AB positive and O negative. AB positive is called universal recipient, while the O negative is called universal donors. The number 16, ABO blood grouping is based on surface antibodies on RBCs, surface antigen on WBCs, surface antigen on RBCs. So here antibodies are not involved. So first one, surface antibodies on RBCs. Here the antibodies are not involved. So this option is incorrect. Second one, surface antigen on WBCs. So here antigens are not present on the surface of WBC. So this option also incorrect. Okay, the third one, the surface antigen on RBCs. So the correct option is surface antigen on RBCs. Antigens are present on the surface of RBC. On the basis of these antigens, blood groups are classified into different groups, that is A, AB and O. Okay, the number 17, which leukocyte has bean shaped nucleus? Which leukocyte has bean shaped nucleus? Basophils, monocytes, neutrophils and lymphocytes. The correct answer is monocytes. Monocytes have bean shaped nucleus. Okay, then 18, histamine is a chemical which is released from neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils and lymphocytes. So the correct answer is basophils. Basophils releases the histamine during allergic reactions and it increases the blood supply and the infection or injured sites. So correct answer is option B, that is basophils. Right? Okay, then question number 19. The smallest blood cells are RBCs, WBCs, platelets, none of the above. The correct answer is platelets. Platelets are the smallest blood cells. Okay, have you got it, children? Okay. Then number 20, in blood cancer, that is leukemia, leukocyte count is A, 10 to 20,000, B, less than 10,000, C, more than 1 lakh, D, none. The correct answer is C, more than 1 lakh. A normal number of increase in number of WBC is called as leukemia. In blood cancer, the number of WBC becomes increased more than 1 lakh. The number increased more than 1 lakh. The next one, 21, question number 21. Blood clotting require which two things? Sodium ion and thromboplastin, sodium ion and potassium ion, sodium ion and prothrombin, calcium ion and thromboplastin. The correct answer is D, calcium ion and thromboplastin. Thromboplastin is released from the platelets and this thromboplastin needs calcium for its activation. So thromboplastin needs calcium for its activation. Then number 22, which of the following instrument involved in red blood cell count? A, hematocytometer, B, hemoglobinometer, C, electrocardiogram, D, sphygmomanometer. The correct answer is A, hematocytometer. It is used to count RBC. Hematocytometer is used to count red blood cells. The next one, question number 23. Lymph is different from the blood in possessing more RBCs and few WBCs, only WBCs. Then option C, more RBCs and WBCs. Option D, more WBCs and few RBCs. The correct answer is B, only WBCs. Lymph contain only WBC while the RBC are absent in the lymph, while the RBC are present in the blood. RBC are present in the blood. So correct answer is B, only WBCs. The number 20, next question, that is 25. Which one of the following is called diapedesis? Formation of RBCs, formation of WBCs, process by which WBC squeeze through thin capillary wall, movement of blood in gut. The correct answer is C, process by which WBC squeeze through thin capillary walls. So this is the correct answer. The process by which the WBCs comes out through the thin wall of capillary into the surrounding tissue. So diapedesis is the process by which WBC squeeze through the thin capillary wall. So C is the correct answer. The number 26. Which one of the following acts as middleman? WBCs, lymph, plasma and blood. So here the correct answer is option B, lymph. Lymph acts as a middleman because it transports food, hormones and different metabolites to the different body tissues, and in return it takes carbon dioxide and different waste, metabolic waste from the body tissues and transport them into the blood. So it acts as a middleman. So lymph acts as a middleman. Right, children? Okay. The next one, question number 27. Process by which WBCs are formed in bone marrow is called as erythroblastosis, hemopoiesis, hemolysis, thrombopoiesis. The correct answer is B, hemopoiesis. Hemopoiesis is the process through which the WBC are formed in the bone marrow. Correct answer is option B. Then 28. Which of the following is largest leukocyte is neutrophils, basophils, lymphocytes and monocytes? The correct answer is D, monocytes. Monocytes are the largest leukocytes because the diameter of monocyte is very large. The diameter of monocyte is very large. So that is the largest leukocyte. Monocyte is the largest leukocyte. Then question number 29. Content of hemoglobin in 100 milligram of blood is 10 gram, 20 gram, 15 gram and 5 gram. The correct answer is option C, 15 gram. 100 mg of blood contain only 15 gram of hemoglobin. 15 gram of hemoglobin. Number 29. Which of the following leukocyte is called as micropoliceman of blood? Neutrophils, lymphocytes, eosinophils and basophils. The correct answer is A, that is neutrophils. Neutrophils are called as micropoliceman of blood because they are macrophage and destroy different pathogens and microbes. So they called as micropoliceman of our blood. Okay, neutrophils are micropoliceman of our blood. Then question number 30. Which of the following is the daily destructions of red blood cells? 1 percentage, 10 percentage, and 20% and 5%. The correct answer is 1%. The correct answer is 1%. Okay. So today 30 questions we have discussed, right? So the remaining questions we can see in the next class. So learn well. Bye students.